on, guys? Talking about stock selection today. Super important when you're trading. There's this old saying that if you select the right stocks and you trade the stock in the right direction, you don't necessarily have to be a great trader. And I like that. So with Baba today, this thing was on the top movers list. I think it was number 1, 2 position in terms of top loser. And it had all of the things that I needed to see for this to be a potential short. Highly liquid options chain, trading below the 200 in the VWAP. And first thing I was looking for was this pre-market low to step down lower out of the gate when the market opened. And in fact, price action pushed lower and then closed higher, and was the second bar that I actually got short on Baba. I was buying at the money puts, and this thing stepped down, so I saw this entire bar worth of movement. I saw part of this movement to the downside, and then as soon as this thing closed up a little bit higher, I cashed out on this position. Now, I'm not sure what these bars do. I just know that they strongly suggest that there's a potential short-term reversal. This is a demand candle, and what that means is there's some demand pushing higher. And I essentially got out of this position and I scalped this thing for about 7%, I want to say, on the option. So not a ton, but it was a little something to start the week. From there, what I was doing was I was looking at the bottom of this green candle. So price action steps down, pushes back in. You know, we don't have a 3-bar candlestick reversal. This thing starts to roll over. We get this nice 2-minute range, and price is consolidating, and then right through here it steps down lower, and I scalped it for another 5% with at the money puts. And you'll see it's the same bar that I decided to get out of as I saw price action rallying and as the tape started to print long. Stepped away from the market. 7.5%, I want to say, 7 to 7.5% on the first play, 5% on the second play. Stepped away for the day, and that's Monday. Market's still open. And you can see that key level right down through here, right? It's still moving, and there was a nice play from 114 into the mid 113 level. So bypass that, but you can see right through here that it's setting, holding, breaking down. That was the trade on Baba. I'm done for the day.